Every year in Quebec, more than 1 million tons of plastic is recycled. Yet, the industry is still very much inefficient. More than 50% of what could be recycled is actually not recycled. And more than 100,000 tons of what you put in your recycle bin will not integrate the value chain of recycling. The main problem in the industry is that of P6, which is a plastic that is often found in everyday usage. To tackle this issue, the first strategy of the team was to build partnerships. They went all over Montreal in the quest of finding partners through which they could develop an integrated chain of recycling of the plastic P6. But the team faced many challenges. They reached out to many people, but the answers were always negative. The young and ambitious entrepreneurs quickly realized that not everybody in the industry had the same will to tackle this problem. When their first strategy failed, the entrepreneurs were left with not many options, and the project stagnated. They were looking for solutions, but none were coming to light. Despite the many challenges and obstacles, the team showed tremendous perseverance and grit to make their vision a reality. If the industry weren't going to help them, then they were going to do it by themselves. With amazing entrepreneurial spirit, they created an innovative solution that was never seen before in the industry, and it all came from their young, creative mind. So tell me, Louis-Simon, what made you start this project?
Well, we started it last year because we saw in the documentary that plastic waste was a real problem in Quebec. This plastic is recycled in other provinces, but not in Quebec, so it takes a lot of place in landfills. And we thought that as other provinces can recycle it, why couldn't we do it as smart, strong, and motivated students?
Do you mind sharing with the listeners what difficulties you went through and how and what you did in order to face those challenges?
Well, yeah, of course. What you have to know about this project is as we keep going forward always, but when we hit a wall, it takes us really a long time to get over the wall and then continue to learn things about the project. But one time we faced really a big wall. It was difficult to find really how to make money with this plastic. As you know, we contacted a lot of people and we couldn't really get anybody to help us. So we had to really think about different type of stuff, and it was really difficult. We got demotivated. We thought about just dropping off the project and focusing on something more promising. But with other ideas coming from our friends at Scotiabank-HEC, we were able to find a pivot that through cardboard, we thought that we could do a project focusing on cardboard with the same result as P6, so that in the short term we could really advance with the cardboard, to in the long term apply everything we learned from the cardboard to the P6 to really go forward and have a better project that really continues to target the main impact, which is this plastic that causes a real problem in Quebec.
Thank you. Now you know what HEC is doing to help the recycling industry and to drive a positive environmental change in the community. In the next month, we'll make tremendous progress, so come back at the Nationals to see our evolution.